Hello everybody, welcome in this small video tutorial. In this video tutorial I will show you how you can easily add the Google Analytics code into your WordPress website. So let's not waste time and jump into my screen. Okay, so this is very easy to do. So step one, we go to Google Analytics, search on Google Analytics, you click on it. I suppose you already have a Gmail account, so just log in. If not, create one. I already did, so no issue. So then you come here, you just hit this icon, admin, and all you have to do is you click on account. You see? Then it's really easy, straightforward. Of course, in this example video, it's a website. We click on website. Here you can put the name of the website. Let's call it again. Okay, no issue. So then of course we hit HTTPS. Okay, then we go for the website. In my case, this is a test website. So nothing special there. So the industry, let's random pick something. I'm from Belgium. Okay. And then of course here you click on get tracking ID. Okay, then again, for the people who want to read it, you can always do. Okay, what happens now? Really simple. Here you see this code. All we have to do is copy and paste this code. So we right click on, we copy, and we go to the WordPress website, and of course let's open that. This is a test website. So we have the easy way and the hard way. Let's start with the hard way, of course. I would not recommend to do that, but for some people, maybe they want that. So you go in the WordPress website, you go to Appearance, and here you select Theme Editor. And then you just select the header, where it is, it's here. Okay, and as you see, we must paste the code here. Normally I would do paste and hit then update file, but as I know most of the people are not technical, so I would not advise, because if you do some small error here, the website can maybe in the worst case look a little bit different. So let's go for the super easy way. We just go to plugins, we go to add new, and then of course we hit for Google Analytics. Nothing special. This is a very good one, but yeah, there are many good plugins. I always advise before installing the plugins, just check the reviews and how many there are installed. Okay, and most important, this one here you see last updated 3 weeks ago. This is a good one. I used this plugin in the past, so we can for this example use this one. So all we have to do is we click install now, we wait, and then of course we hit the activate button. Okay, almost there. So we go to settings, Google Analytics, and here in the plugin settings, all we have to copy and paste is the Google tracking ID. And where can we find that? Well, this is the tracking ID, this number. So you just select it, hit copy, go back to the website, here we paste it, boom. Nothing special. You can ignore all these options, and then all we have to do is save changes. Okay, so as you see, it's super easy to add the Google Analytics code to your WordPress website in these 2 easy steps. So one, create the Google Analytics code, and with this easy plugin you just connect it. Most important step of course is step 3, but we have to wait like 12 to 24 hours. Why? Because Google, it takes some time until the system picks up everything. So then we can go to log in to Google Analytics and check everything, all the stats, and see how many visitors we have, from which city they are, which country, on which page they are visiting our website, etc. So that's all for this small tutorial video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, and see you in the next video, guys. Bye.